When setting conferences to review documents we've drafted on behalf of clients, we will typically send that client in advance of the meeting an email that contains the PDF file, which contains all of the documents that we'll be reviewing. In order to have an efficient and productive conference, we need to be able to navigate that document so that we are literally on the same page. The purpose of this video is to identify some commonly used applications to view PDF files and how to navigate those applications so that we can quickly go from page to page or from document to document. The three programs we will look at today are Adobe Acrobat Reader, Mac Preview, and Google Chrome. There are other applications to view and navigate PDF documents, but I think these three applications are the most common. Regardless, the features that we go over will almost certainly be found on whatever program you're using. We'll start with Acrobat Reader. Acrobat Reader is probably the most commonly used program to view PDF files. That is because the application is available for both Mac and Windows, and it's safe, which is not always the case when downloading free applications over the internet. There are three toolbars. There is the toolbar on the right-hand side, the toolbar above, and the toolbar to the left-hand side. We're only going to focus on the toolbar at the top and the toolbar to the left. First off, I want to point out the minus and plus symbols. These are used to zoom in and zoom out of the document as you wish. But more importantly is probably navigating the document. And to the left, we have the numeral 1 with a / and 154. This means that we are on page 1 of a 154-page document. And if we want to change to, let's say, page 55, we just select 1, delete it, enter 55, and hit return. And we are now at page 55. But probably the easiest way to navigate this document is by way of bookmark. The bookmarks are found in this application on the left-hand toolbar, and the icon that looks like a ribbon opens the bookmarks. And here you'll see that we have the family trust, the certification of trust, and these other various documents that can be selected by simply clicking on the bookmark. While the layout of the various programs differ a little, these features that we've just reviewed are pretty common amongst the applications. We'll next look at Google Chrome. We have the page that we're on and the total amount of pages. We have that ribbon that produces the bookmarks, and we have the plus and minus for zooming in and zooming out of the document. Lastly, we'll look at Mac Preview. Mac Preview is probably the simplest interface, but at the same time, it's kind of hard to find your bookmarks and how to go from one page to the next. So the bookmarks are available by pressing Option Command 3, and to go to a particular page, it is Option Command G. They are also available by way of pull-down menus at the top of the screen, although those pull-down menus aren't visible in this video. I hope you found this information useful. In the end, if you can open and navigate either by page number or bookmark the documents that we have to review, I think you'll find it a much more pleasant and productive experience. Thank you, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.